Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car maintenance and repair with a spotlight on the top 5 car diagnostic tools. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, having the right diagnostic tool can save you time, money, and headaches by pinpointing issues quickly and accurately. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. ThinkScan Plus. This device is engineered for both professionals and enthusiasts who demand comprehensive diagnostic capabilities and ease of use. With the ability to scan and diagnose up to 7 critical systems: engine, transmission, anti-lock braking system, airbag, body control module, air conditioning, and instrument cluster. The ThinkScan Plus S7 ensures that you can quickly identify and resolve issues that could compromise the performance and safety of your vehicle. The ThinkScan Plus S7 goes beyond basic diagnostic functions by offering 28 reset services, making it a versatile tool for maintaining your vehicle's optimal performance. You can choose 5 reset options that best suit your needs, providing lifetime free use and updates across all cars, which is a significant advantage in ensuring your diagnostic tool remains up to date with the latest vehicles and software improvements. Whether you're dealing with routine maintenance like oil changes or more complex resets like ABS bleeding or throttle adaptation, this tool has you covered. Number 4. Mukar V6. The Mukar V6 car diagnostic tool is an essential companion for any vehicle owner or professional mechanic, offering lifetime free updates and extensive coverage for over 126 car brands. This device ensures that you stay ahead with full system diagnostics and 28 vital reset functions, all included at no extra cost. With support for 30 languages, including German, Spanish, French, and more, this tool is versatile enough to be used globally, making it an indispensable asset in any automotive toolbox. Equipped with the ability to perform comprehensive diagnostics on every vehicle system, the Mukar V6 is more than just a basic OBD2 scanner. It connects to your vehicle's electronic control system to retrieve and display trouble codes, live data, and perform functional tests across various vehicle control systems like ABS, SRS, engine, transmission, and more. Whether you're dealing with an engine fault, transmission issue, or even a problem with the light or wiper systems, this scanner provides detailed insights and data to help you identify and resolve issues efficiently. Number 3. Autofix D1 Light. The Autofix D1 Light stands out as a top-tier choice, combining extensive vehicle coverage, dealership-level diagnostics, and user-friendly features all in one powerful package. This tool is designed to support over 150 car brands and 10,000-plus models worldwide, from 1996 to the latest vehicles on the market. It's equipped to handle the car protocols of the future, including CAN-FD for 2020 and newer GM and Chrysler models, as well as DOIP for high-end vehicles like Volvo, Land Rover, Jaguar, and BMW FG chassis. This ensures that the Autofix D1 Light is not just a tool for today's cars, but is future-proof to handle the next generation of vehicles as well. The Autofix D1 Light is more than just an ordinary diagnostic tool. It offers dealership-level diagnostics that are essential for professional mechanics and automotive enthusiasts alike. With access to 38 plus of the most common service functions, this tool allows you to perform vital resets, relearns, and active tests with ease. The bidirectional control, or active tests, is particularly powerful, allowing you to command specific components in the car to verify their operational status. Whether you're testing actuators, checking the functionality of sensors, or verifying system integrity, the results are delivered in minutes, ensuring that you can diagnose and fix issues faster than ever. Number 2. Autel Maxicom MK808S. This 2024 version, an upgrade from the popular MK808, brings significant enhancements to the table, all while maintaining an attractive price point. Equipped with the powerful Rockchip RK3566 CPU, the MK808S is a game-changer, offering 5 times faster diagnostics than its predecessors. Running on the improved Android 11 OS, it provides a seamless user experience with its larger 4 plus 64 GB memory, ensuring that lag and delays are things of the past. The addition of dual Wi-Fi accelerates the transmission and collection of diagnostic data, making the MK808S not only fast, but also incredibly efficient. The Autel Maxicom MK sets itself apart with its bidirectional control feature, also known as Active Test. This functionality allows you to command specific subsystems or components within your vehicle to verify their functionality without needing to manually operate the ignition. Whether it's testing windows, rear-view mirrors, the sunroof, or even the wipers, this tool makes it possible to quickly and easily assess the condition of various actuators, saving time and providing peace of mind. Number 1. Launch X431 Pro. The Launch X431 Pro is an advanced car diagnostic tool designed to provide a comprehensive, OE-level diagnostic experience for both professional mechanics and dedicated car enthusiasts. With its robust feature set, this tool allows you to dive deep into your vehicle's systems, offering everything from full system diagnostics to ECU coding and programming via its SmartBox 3.0, functioning as a J534 device. This capability makes it particularly valuable for BMW and Benz models, enabling access to data and OE programming downloads directly from the manufacturers, with more brands on the way. Equipped with a broad range of diagnostic functions, the Launch X431 Pro 5 covers over 100 car brands and 20,000 models across the US, European, and Asian markets. Whether you're working on the engine, transmission, airbags, ABS, or even more specialized systems like air suspension or tire pressure monitoring, this tool provides you with the ability to retrieve ECU information, read and erase DTCs, and view live data for accurate and efficient troubleshooting. The all-system diagnosis feature ensures that no part of the vehicle goes unchecked, giving you the ability to enhance performance, reduce emissions, and maintain the overall health of your vehicle. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the top 5 car diagnostic tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drive safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.